No! Don't try to run now! No! No! What are you doing? Why is you snoring so loud? Bro, last time you was blinking. Now you snoring. I'm not playing with you, bro. I'm tired of this. Man, you won't get out of this house one day. I swear you are. No! Come on, please don't do this. I'm innocent. No, you're not innocent. You are accused. No, you got me so mad. Can barely get my words out. I'm not showing mercy today. I'm gonna whoop you. I'm gonna beat the black off you. Okay, I'll give you $2. Okay. Well, okay. Why? You just gonna take my money like that? Bro, you offered it to me. Why are you trying to take it back now? I spent 2 seconds of labor doing this. 2 seconds of what? You don't even know how to spell labor. What's not placenta? Is it 11? Bro, you are stupid.